Truth be told, the way you breathe can have a significant impact on how your body responds to an exercise. If you're a breath holder or a shallow breather, then chances are that you aren't getting the most out of your workout routine. If you want to get the most out of your efforts, then you'd be wise to learn the basics of abdominal breathing. This is important because your diaphragm is an essential muscle for releasing tension throughout your entire body. So what exactly is the diaphragm? And more importantly, what does it do? Your diaphragm is an umbrella-shaped muscle located at the base of your lungs. Because of where your diaphragm is located, it can be hard to feel whether it's working or not. Let me share with you a breathing exercise to strengthen your diaphragm so you can learn how to breathe more efficiently when you exercise. Sit in a nice comfortable position, or if you'd like, you can lie down. Place both hands around your navel and exhale to empty all the air out of your lungs. When your lungs are emptied, inhale to a count of 4 seconds, allowing your belly to rise. Hold the air in your lungs for 4 seconds, then use your abdominal muscles to exhale to a count of 4 seconds. Hold your lungs empty for another 4 seconds and repeat this cycle for up to 5 minutes.